YouTube live. In this live, I would like to tell about one of my blog posts. Okay, a few months back, I added that blog post. I would like to share that. Okay, so that blog post is about learning EA. So let me first share the screen. Okay, so that I can go through that thing. So I will be doing it in a very quick way. Okay, so this is the thing I am talking about. This thing you can reach this page by clicking the link provided in the description of the video. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to like reach this page after some time, go to Google. Okay, Google. Maybe you can search either you can search QPT space blog and then go to my blog, and there you can search, or here itself we can search, right? AI learning resources. Okay, so here it's showing that link, right? AI learning resources. You can click that, or you can just search QPT space blog and then come to this blog, and here search box is there, right? In this search box, you can just search for AI learning resources. Okay, so just come to this page or bookmark this page. Okay, I will be keeping on adding more useful links here. So in that case, it will be useful. Apart from that, as of now, I have included free download link for my ebooks, Unlocking AI, RAG, SQL, Agentic AI, and Python for AI developers, that kind of things. But it's a very limited time only. Okay, you could make use of this opportunity just to promote this link so that people can share this link, right? For that purpose. Okay. But actually, apart from my free books, here you can find a lot of free resources for learning AI. Okay. First of all, you should understand the importance for learning AI. I already talked about it in my previous live sessions by referring World Economic Forum report and Times of India report. Almost everyone is telling that, highlight that things, because now the businesses are interested, even they're investing huge money for implementing AI. Okay, so obviously they will be expecting returns. In that case, they need to reduce the human employees, right? In that case, obviously people who are skilled in AI will be getting opportunity to continue their job. Okay, so it is very important to learn AI. So almost upskilling is important from various perspectives. So that is what that reports from World Economic Forum and Times of India are showing. So, okay, so first of all, we need to understand the need for learning AI, irrespective of the business domain or age. So it's important to learn AI. That is the reason why I started focusing more on AI instead of my regular task of web development, that kind of stuff. Okay, because that things, web development, web tool development, everything can be done within few seconds with simple prompts using web coding tools, right? So AI is affecting almost all the industries. So it is very important to know about AI, fundamental of AI, and your specific domain related things. Okay. Actually, personally, myself have created a AA course. Here you are seeing the banner, right? So you can click that link or this first link, topmost link. That will take you to my course sales page. Okay, here you can provide. I provided all the details about the course. You can go through that, and if you are interested, you can buy that. Right now, I'm running a discount offer. It's a limited time offer. During this offer period, you can get it for just 300 rupees instead of 1,600 rupees in India. And globally, people can get it for just $8. This is a very key thing, because I put a lot of efforts for coming up with this CA course by creating more than 8 hours of tutorial videos and then 9 AI related ebooks. Here you can see the list of that videos. What are the videos available with this uh, course? It includes a lot of things, including starting from simple what is a kind of thing up to a line graph, MCP, that kind of things, agentic AI. Okay, so you can just go through that. It is getting good reviews on Udemy also. Okay, so But I would suggest buying from here, because you can get it for just 300 rupees here, and you'll be added to my newsletters. I will be keep on sending updates. Okay, so it's a continuous learning, right? Because AI is developing very fast, so we need to follow up with that latest happenings. Okay, that is also very important. And apart from this, if you need uh, uh, guidance in learning, you can enroll into this GenAI webinar, this second link. That I'm going to start do it on coming Saturday. It's a 3 hours webinar through Google Meet. There, if you register for this for 500 rupees, you will be getting access to my recorded course also. In case if you decide to join this GenAI webinar, you need not separately purchase that recorded course. Okay. So already talked about these things in my previous videos. People who continue to watch my live videos, they may be getting bored if I talk it again. Okay, so just to go through the details, you can read everything by going through the blog post, or you can check my previous things. Okay. Today I wanted to highlight that I'm running a free offer for my AAFAQ, that book. That also yesterday I did 3 hours of live video to tell about that book, as well as to explain the basic AI concept in a question and answer type. Okay, that would be interesting, especially for beginners. It can create some kind of curiosity to learn about AI, right? So in that case, you can just check that video, AAFAQ. Yesterday I did it. It will be running for 3 hours. Okay, and if you want to earn money, you can watch this video. And if you are interested in one-on-one coaching, you can check this video. Okay, but this particular live is to talk about um, AI learning resources that I created long back. Okay, but I keep on updating here. Recently I included this free download options, and here the first one is AI quiz I created long back. Okay, but I updated a lot of new topics also, and here you can like learn AI by attending this quiz. And it is arranged in various topics, right? AI basics, prompt engineering, generative AI, Python, machine learning, deep learning, RAG, data science, LLM, AI agents. Almost it covered all the key things about AI. Okay, and apart from that, here I provided this chart bot, which is exclusively like fully optimized for learning AI. Okay, and even one of my tutorial videos, I explain about how to create these kinds of things. Okay, check those things. And this one, free AI courses. I listed a lot of free AI courses provided by reputed organizations, including Coursera. In case of Coursera, you have to click audit. Okay, and Fast AI, University of Helsinki. Okay, Microsoft, Harvard University, through edX. So a lot of things are there. Okay, and apart from that, OpenAI also providing these things I included. But recently, I noticed Lang chain also providing things that I need to update. Suppose if you want to update any other new things, just uh, uh, mention through the comment section of this video. I will keep on updating that things. Okay. So I provided a link to that post also. That is separate post that is exclusively for courses. Here all kinds of resources I am listing. So in that case, if you come to just to bookmark this page, you can get all the details. Okay, ebook download link, links to the AI quiz and the AI chatbot, and link to the free AI courses. That blog post. Okay, and the playlist to learn AI. So you can click here and you can see my playlist for learning AI. Okay, and if you are interested in learning AI innovations, you can click this next link. And this one is linked to my course, but I linked to my rajamanikam.gumroad page. Maybe I will be changing that. I will make note of that. Okay. There, the problem is there that the price may be bit higher. Okay. Here, but from people from many countries can make the purchase from here, because it will be automatically changing the price based on the purchasing power parity of the country. So it has its own advantage. And like it supports affiliate program, I offer 50% update commission. Okay, that kind of advantages are there here, but Gumroad will be taking commission, and so I set some slightly higher price. So mostly, it is better to link to my blog, that link, this link, right? That banner link, that I will change. Or anyway, banner is there, right? So you can just click the banner and come to my blog post where I am selling my recorded AI course. Okay. So this GenAI webinar, I already talked about it, right? The coming Saturday, I'm going to do that. It will be very useful for learning RAG, MCP, LangGraph, and AI agents. It's very useful because instead of taking all the things, I thought of taking only Gen AI, which is in high demand right now. From career perspective, if you want to improve your career, you can take that. But fundamentally, I would always suggest learning AI from basics. Okay. Anyway, if you join this webinar, I will be giving free access to my recorded course also, where you can and learn everything from starting from basics. Okay. And recently, I did like 4.5 hours of free webinar. I linked that also. Okay. Yesterday also I did that AFAQ, right? That also very useful. I will include that also. Maybe I can make note of it. If you want me to include any other useful thing, just mention through the comment section. I'll be adding that. But it should be really useful, okay? And it should be useful for everyone, and it should be free. So this in this 2 hour video, I explained about how to start learning AI as a beginner. So it's normally a lot of beginners are having that question instead of start learning them. They are first exploring about how to start learning that, because that's a valid true thing. Because if some examples are talking about running in Python code, other things, first of all they should know where to run that things, right? They should be familiar with Colab, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, that kind of stuff, right? So it's like a simple guidance about how to start learning. You can this. So here I listed a lot of blog posts, right? Here you can go through that. So I selected some of the blog posts and created a separate page linking to my blog post. I provided links to that blog post here. Okay, this is about earning money. Okay, so actually I created separate Notion site for giving very basic tutorials about AI. Maybe you can check that. Okay, so I linked to that thing also. So this one I created with the help of Notion. It is very interesting and a very simple way of explaining the things. Okay, so you can just check that. It is very really interesting as a beginner. Okay, and apart from that, I created links for linking pages related to AI research and a lot of learning resources and news AI updates from major organizations like Google, Microsoft, IBM, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, like Anthropic, Mistral, Lemon Labs, okay, Hugging Face, Runway, Fluxity, Midjourney, Suno, Adobe. So I provided links to their AI updates page. Okay, so you can just bookmark this page. You can get a lot of information from here. Maybe I will include Reddit page also. I have separate page for that. Okay, maybe I will include that page also. Yeah, Reddit learning. So Reddit is a major source for learning AI. Okay, so, but first you should know the relevant subreddits, right? So I already collected. So I linked some of them, like here include land mesh. Okay, already linked, right? Artificial. Only two things I included. Maybe I will add the separate page link. Okay. So it's just a starting point. I would like to add more things, including useful GitHub repositories for learning AI. Okay, and categories the things. Yeah, as I said, it's just a starting. Okay, so I'll be arranging them in different categories or something. But before that, I would like to get the feedback from the people, right? So just to share your useful links through the comment section of this post or the comment section of this video. I will be collecting, going through the details, and I will be checking that. And if it is relevant, I will add there, or I will be creating separate page for Like say for example, for learning RAG, I can create separate page and I can include that here, right? So I will explore. Okay. But my intention is, if you bookmark this page and if you come to this page, you should be able to go through all the useful pages. That is what my plan. Okay. So once after adding a significant number of content, I will be adding the link in somewhere in the top or in the bottom. Okay. Bottom is, it's not there, right? So somewhere I'll add that link. Okay. Time being, you can bookmark this. Okay. I already linked it in that uh, description. I will add it through the chat also now. Okay. You can check from here. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Especially if you have any good resource, just add that link in the comment section. I will be including here. Okay, so that people can just visit this page. Okay, and apart from this free learning resources, actually free learning it's lot of resource. Okay, so here if you click this playlist, you can find lot of videos for learning AI. Okay, I believe these things are somewhat enough to get some basic idea. But if you want to get like a full-fledged course, maybe you can buy this course. Okay, I already showed that link right here. This course has more than 8 hours of recorded tutorial videos and nine A-related ebooks. You can get it just for 300 rupees in India or $8 globally. Okay, it's a huge discount. Okay, as I said, it is just for starting the sales. Previously, I tried various approaches, running paid ads and affiliates that are not working in a good way. Okay, so I thought of doing it. This kind of sales directly from my blog by offering very low price, but it involves my manual work. I need to manually deliver that access link, right? In that case, I may not be running this discount offer for a long time. Suppose if I needed my time for other tasks, I'll be mostly closing this thing, and I will be asking everyone to make the purchase from rajamanikam.com. Here it's automated thing. Okay. But because of the fees involved, here the price may be slightly higher, but it will be discounted based on the uh, country because of the purchasing power parity that future. In case it is around $8 in India, right? So it is almost double the money from compared to my blog post to that sales, right? But as I said, that involves my time for delivering the things. So I may not be doing it for a long time. So to make it same as my rajamanikam.com course price, I will be increasing it later. Okay. So by the meantime, when the offer is available, you can make use of that offer. Okay. If you have any questions, you can contact me. That is one way of start learning AI. It's a very affordable way. And another way is generate a webinar. If you want one-on live interactive coaching, maybe you can register for this. This one also somewhat affordable, 500 rupees only for 3 hours of course, and you will be getting access to free access to the recorded course also. For people in other countries, it will be like $25. This one also affordable only. But if you want one-on-one coaching, maybe you can conduct. But that you have to pay for every hour. But that will be more effective. Suppose if you are doing a business, if you want to learn AI quickly and fully customized for you, then like personal coaching, one-on-one coaching will be useful. Okay. In case of this webinar, many people will be attending, but still you can ask questions and you can get answers for your questions. Okay. But if you want to share your project and if you want to share the project business details which you may be feeling hesitating to share with others, in that case, like purely personal one-on-one coaching, that I can do based on hourly charges. A few minutes back I did one live about it. Okay. And you can contact me because the past 6 months I fully worked hard to come up with this recorded course. Like around 6 months I was I have been working on for that thing. Okay, so now it's almost reached some matured level, right? 8 hours of videos and 9 ebooks and a lot of code samples infographic. That is enough as of now for any beginners to start learning. Okay, so right now I thought of reducing time spending for that kind of work. Okay, so right now I have a lot of free time. So I would like to use that for doing one-on-one coaching something, or suppose if I'm getting good projects related to AI, I may work for that. Suppose if you are running a business, if you want to implement AI for your business, you can contact me. Initially, I can do hourly basis consultancy, and if you are willing to outsource that, you can outsource it to me. Okay, uh, we can discuss about it separately through Google Meet. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is right now I have free time as I have completed my AI training creation by spending more than 6 months. Okay, now I started running paid ads also. Previously I started running paid ads for my recorded course, but that was not positive, or ROI was not positive, so I stopped it, and that is the reason why I looked for affiliates. But wasted a lot of time in finding affiliates. A lot of people joined, but they were not active. So right now I don't want to spend my time personally for affiliates. But I suppose if you are interested to join us affiliate, I will allow you to affiliate, but you have to spend time to know about how to effectively do that. But previously I was spending a lot of time through Google Meet to explain the things to the potential affiliates. Okay, that is different thing. But what I'm trying to say is my way of promotion through Google Ads was not effective initially, but now I started Gen AI webinar, right? So a lot of people are saying that, including ChatGPT, Perplexity, that kind of AI tools also suggesting that that webinar kind of things, the conversion will be good, like that they're saying. So I started running that things. And one more thing is, suppose even in this case of webinar also, if that ROI is negative, instead of just stopping the PPC campaigns, I will be increasing the price of that fee of that webinar to compensate for the ad spending. Okay, so in that case, if you are interested to join this webinar, just to do it as soon as possible before increasing the price. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, I created the course. Now I started running the campaigns, and maybe in the coming days, even I will be start running the campaigns for rajamanikim.com, so that it will be 100% automated, right? The campaigns will be running, the course will be automatically delivered, so I need not spend any time. So I will be fully free. So that is what I plan to do. These are all the initial offers I'm doing from my blog. But later on, once after getting the feedback, so once after everything is getting stabilized, means I will be just um, start running the campaigns for my rajamanikam.com, that automated things. So everything will be automated, ads will be running, and that course will be delivered automatically. So that is what I envision in the coming days. Okay, so I will be having full free time. So in that case, I plan to move into the next phase. Okay, as the first step, I would like to do this Gen A webinar, and then I am planning to do one-on-one coaching, and I'll be working for the businesses directly myself. But later on, once after start entering in that kind of work, I would like to build up a team. Actually, long back in the year 2008 itself, I built a team, and I have been running a small IT company for many years till the year 2018, around 10 years. I have been doing that, but because of the difficulties I faced with retaining the team members, I stopped that initiative. But right now, I'm just starting it with different plans. Instead of hiring full-time employees, instead I will be start looking for freelancers kind of stuff. Okay, once I decide that they are worth hiring as full-time members, maybe I will do that. Okay, so that I have upcoming plans in that direction. But right now, immediate thing is, since I have completed my recorded course creation and started running campaigns, now I have free time. So I decided to start taking these kinds of webinars. The first step is GenAI webinar. Maybe based on the demand, based on the requests, I will be deciding about taking a webinar about like AI ethics, that kind of stuff, or very basic things, understanding machine learning, deep learning, or just a very, very beginner level, because I'm getting inquiries about various things. So based on that demand, I will be taking that webinars. Okay. That kind of plans, or I will be repeating the same webinar. Suppose if there is a huge demand for GenAI webinar, and the next Saturday also I will be doing. Okay, that is one thing I have taken that initiative. Other than that, also I have a lot of free time, right? So in that time period, I will be right now I'm doing these kinds of live sessions, right? Yesterday I did 3 hours of live to explain about FAQ. But that and all, it's not monetizable. But to monetize that, I would like to do one-on-one coaching. Okay, that is paid coaching based on hourly charges. Okay, that I will be doing. If you are interested to learn in that way, contact me. I believe that will be more effective compared to other ways of learning. But that is bit expensive, because I need to personally spend time for one person, right? So you have to pay. But suppose if you like as a team, if you're able to gather 4 5 people comfortable for you, in that case maybe I can teach as a group. For that, you can share that hourly charges, right? That way also it can work. So just think about that, and contact me if you have any questions, and suggest me if you know any other good resources, so that I can add them in this AI learning resources page. Okay, and let me check any questions there. No other questions. I'm stopping here. Okay. Just share this link to your friends who may be interested in learning AI, especially this AI learning resources. This link, just share that link. In this link, I will be keep on adding a lot of useful resources links here. Okay. Thanks. Bye.